If you think all plant oils are heart healthy, think again. For years we've been told that swapping out animal fats for plant-based oils is the key to a healthy heart and a longer life. Supermarket shelves are lined with bottles of canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower oil, all promising to be the better choice. But is that really the case? The truth is, not all plant oils are created equal, and some may be doing more harm than good. Sometimes the stuff labeled healthy hides the sneakiest surprises. Just because a product has a green label, a heart symbol, or the word natural, doesn't mean it's actually good for you. In fact, many of these so-called healthy oils are hiding in plain sight, tucked away in foods you'd never suspect. Foods you might eat every single day, thinking you're making a smart choice. Here's what you need to know about polyunsaturated fats. These fats are a type of fat found in many plant oils, and they've been at the center of a heated debate in the nutrition world. For decades, we were told to avoid saturated fats and instead load up on polyunsaturated fats, or PUFAs for short. But new research is challenging that advice, and it's time to take a closer look at what's really going on. Polyunsaturated fats. Think soybean, corn, and sunflower oils. Sound good, right? After all, they come from plants, and plants are healthy, aren't they? These oils are often marketed as the perfect alternative to butter or lard, and they're used in everything from salad dressings to baked goods to fried foods. But just because something comes from a plant doesn't automatically make it healthy. They're in tons of foods labeled as healthy. Next time you're at the grocery store, take a look at the ingredient lists on your favorite healthy snacks. Granola bars, protein bars, veggie chips, and even some yogurts. You'll probably spot soybean oil, canola oil, or sunflower oil lurking in the fine print. These oils are cheap, easy to produce, and have a long shelf life, which is why food manufacturers love them. But your body, not so much. But here's the twist. These oils are super unstable. Unlike saturated fats, which are solid at room temperature and hold up well to heat, polyunsaturated fats are liquid and highly reactive. When you heat them up, like when you fry food or saute veggies, they can start to break down. This process creates harmful compounds that you definitely don't want in your body. When they're cooked, they can break down into nasty stuff called free radicals. Imagine tiny wrecking balls for your cells. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Over time, this kind of damage can add up, leading to chronic inflammation, premature aging, and even increasing your risk for diseases like cancer and heart disease. It's like inviting chaos into your body every time you cook with these oils at high heat. And it's not just about what happens when you cook with them. Even without heat, too much of these fats can mess with your body's balance, leading to inflammation and even raising your risk for heart issues. Chronic inflammation is at the root of so many modern health problems. Think joint pain, digestive issues, skin problems, and even mood disorders. When your body is constantly fighting off inflammation, it can't function at its best. Scientists are now discovering that the balance of fats in our diet is crucial. Our ancestors ate a diet with a much lower ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. Polyunsaturated fats from seed oils are loaded with omega-6s, and when we eat too many of them, it throws off this delicate balance. The result? More inflammation, more health problems, and a body that's out of sync with how it was designed to function. The worst part? They sneak into salad dressings, chips, and even healthy granola bars. You might think you're making a smart choice by grabbing a salad for lunch, but if you're drizzling it with a store-bought dressing made with soybean oil, you're still getting a hefty dose of polyunsaturated fats. The same goes for those baked chips and natural snack bars. They're often loaded with these oils, even if the packaging screams healthy. So what should you do? With so much conflicting information out there, it can feel overwhelming to know what's truly healthy. The good news is, you don't have to give up flavor or go on a restrictive diet to protect your health. It's all about making smarter choices when it comes to the oils you use and the foods you buy. Swap out those seed oils for olive oil, avocado oil, or even a bit of butter. These fats are more stable, less processed, and have been used for centuries in traditional diets around the world. Extra virgin olive oil, for example, is packed with antioxidants and has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, better brain health, and even a longer life. Avocado oil is another great choice. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and has a high smoke point, making it perfect for cooking. And yes, even butter, when used in moderation, can be a better option than highly processed seed oils. Real butter from grass-fed cows contains healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins that your body needs. The key is to focus on quality and variety, rather than just following the latest diet trend. Your cells will thank you. When you give your body the right kinds of fats, you support everything from your brain to your skin to your hormones. You'll likely notice more energy, better focus, and even improved mood. Plus, your food will taste better too. Real, wholesome fats add richness and flavor that processed oils just can't match. Ready for the kicker? Some experts say we're eating 20 times more polyunsaturated fats than our ancestors ever did. Think about that for a second. Our bodies evolved to handle a certain balance of fats, but the modern diet has completely flipped that ratio on its head. Instead of getting our fats from whole foods like nuts, seeds, fish, and pastured animals, we're getting them from industrial seed oils that didn't even exist 100 years ago. This massive increase in polyunsaturated fat consumption has happened in just a few generations, and our bodies haven't had time to adapt. The result? Rising rates of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. It's no coincidence that these health problems have skyrocketed alongside our increased intake of processed foods and seed oils. So, what can you do to protect yourself and your family? Start by reading labels carefully. Look for oils like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or even ghee. Avoid anything that lists soybean oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, or vegetable oil as a main ingredient. When eating out, ask what kind of oil is used for cooking. Many restaurants use cheap seed oils because they're cost-effective, but you can always request your food be cooked in butter or olive oil instead. Don't be afraid to enjoy healthy fats from whole foods either. Nuts, seeds, fatty fish like salmon and sardines, and even eggs from pasture-raised chickens are all great sources of nourishing fats. These foods provide not just healthy fats but also important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to thrive. Remember, it's not about cutting out all fats or following a strict diet. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Swap out that bottle of vegetable oil for olive oil. Choose snacks made with real ingredients. Cook more meals at home, where you control what goes into your food. Every little step counts. Hit like if you're checking your labels tonight, and share this secret with a friend. The more we know, the better choices we can make for ourselves and our loved ones. Don't let sneaky marketing or outdated advice steer you in the wrong direction. Take charge of your health, one meal at a time. Your future self will thank you.